Hey, Mariah here. Hope you're having a great day. Do you want to learn to trade but don't know where to start? Is the information you've found so far too difficult to understand? Problem solved. Beginner Trading School makes learning trading easier. Get small bites of information that you can grasp before moving on to the next topic. Today's lesson is market and limit orders. Let's begin. What is a market order? A market order is an order to buy or sell immediately at the current market price. What is a limit order? A limit order is an order to buy or sell at a specific price or better. So let's say you have a strategy, and your strategy involves a certain price that you should buy or sell. So instead of diving in, you wait for that price. When you place an order to buy or sell at a certain price, you are placing a limit order. When you decide to buy at the current market price, you are placing a market order. For example, you've had your eye on your favorite orange juice at the supermarket, but the price is a little bit higher than you want to pay. You know that this certain supermarket places that exact same orange juice on sale from time to time, so you decide to wait until the juice goes on sale before you buy it. Because you decide to wait for a certain price before you place your order, you will be placing a limit order. By the way, if you find that this information is easy to follow, hit that like button. That way someone like you can find this information and learn to trade too. When you trade, you can trade manually or you can use automated trading. Automated trading is when you use an order ticket to allow the computer to place the order for you. You can tell the automated order entry system when to buy and when to sell. You place this order ahead of time and wait for the order to be executed. A trade can be fully automated or fully manual. You can also do a combination of manual and automated trading. For example, you can use automated trading to enter the trade and then exit the trade manually, or you can enter manually and exit with automated trading. So then, with a limit order, you can use automated trading or use an order ticket to place the order and tell the system that you want to buy or sell when the price reaches a certain amount. For a market order, you place the order to buy at the current price, or you can simply enter the trade manually. To enter the trade manually, you click the Buy/Sell button or whatever it is that your platform requires to enter the trade. In order to enter a trade, you have to place an order. You can do that manually or with an order ticket, automated trading. When you enter a trade, you can decide to buy or sell at the current price, market order, or wait for a certain price, limit order, the way that you would when you wait for an item to go on sale at the store. You have options when entering a trade. Your options are a market order or a limit order. Also, you can enter manually or with automated trading. Let's say you want to buy that orange juice so that you can resell it. You decide that it is in your best interest to wait for the orange juice to go on sale so that you can get a better profit. But that's not the only way. Your competitor decides that he can buy the orange juice at the current price and sell it at a higher price than you are willing to sell yours. Because you decided to wait, your competitor was able to make the same profit or better by selling multiple containers of orange juice at a lower profit margin per container. The customers went to him because he had orange juice to sell. Even though your orange juice is normally cheaper, you did not have any at the time because you were waiting for the price to drop. So which is best? Buy now or wait for a better price? The strategy you choose will be up to you. You can even decide to alternate and do both. But remember, there is a cost associated with each trade you enter. Takeaways: you can use a computer to do automated trading to simplify trading. A market order is a buy-sell order at the current price. A limit order is a buy-sell order at a specific price. You can enter and exit a trade manually. You can enter and exit a trade with an order ticket using automated trading. You can alternate manual and automated trading in one trade. Ready to check what you've just learned? Let's play a game. If you're finding this complex information much easier to understand, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring that notification bell so that you can get the next video easily explained the way you understand it. Number 1. An order to buy at a specific price is a blank order. Is it A, a market order, B, a limit order, C, an entry order, or D, an automated order? An order to buy at a specific price is a B, limit order. Number 2, when you use the computer to place orders, it is called A, automated trading, B, cheater trading, C, wizard trading, or D, Android trading. When you use the computer to place orders, it's called A, automated trading. Number 3, an order to buy-sell at the current price is a blank order. Is it A, current order, B, buyer's order, C, market order, or D, sale order? An order to buy-sell at the current price is a C, a market order. The next two are true or false. Number 4, you can both enter and exit a trade with automated trading. That answer is true. Number 5, you can only exit a trade manually. And the correct answer is false. You can enter and exit a trade manually as well as with automated trading. So, how did you do? If you got 3 or less correct, no worries, rewatch the video. Sometimes it takes more than one time. If you got 4 correct, then you're awesome. You understand this and are ready to learn more. If you got all of them correct, give yourself a hand. You're gold. I see that you are in this to win it. Thanks for stopping by. See you next video.